my name is Ruby from Non-Academic, and my invention topic for today is 3D printers. So let's begin. A 3D printer is a machine that prints a solid object. A 3D printer has 3 dimensions, which are the width, and the depth. When a 3D printer prints the object, it always prints the object from bottom to top. First, you insert a card which has the image you want the 3D printer to print for you, and then the 3D printer divides the image into layers, like layer 1 and layer 2. When we draw, we have step 1 and step 2, right? It's for our references. A 3D printer has a name for its process or method it goes through. The name of the method is the fuse deposition modeling method. The 3D printer was invented in 1981 by Dr. Hideo Kodama, and this was one of our earliest 3D printers. Now in the industry, GE uses 3D printers to print the parts they need for their jets, which they need. And doctors and fashion industries need 3D printers too. Bye, and thank you for watching. Hope you like my video. Bye.